Hi, I am Jyotirmoy Banerjee. In today's video, we'll discuss about real DOM and virtual DOM. What is DOM? DOM stands for Document Object Model. DOM is a programming interface that represents the structure of an HTML or XML document as TR objects. Okay, each element in an HTML documents such as heading, paragraph, buttons, and more is represented as a node in the DOM key. When a web page is loaded or updated, browser constructs the initial DOM key based on the HTML markup. Any changes to the content or the structure of a web page are reflected in the DOM, and these changes are triggered a process called reconciliation. What is reconciliation? In which reconciliation browser updates the visible content on the screen. Now comes here the virtual DOM. React's virtual DOM is a critical optimization technique that minimizes the performance overhead associated with the frequent updates to the real DOM, making it a key feature for building efficient and responsive web application. Now comes here the explanation of the virtual DOM. In virtual DOM is a concept introduced by the React. Why is it introduced? For improving the efficiency of updating the actual DOM. React creates an in-memory representation of DOM, which is virtual DOM. This representation is a lightweight copy of the real DOM. When there is a change in React's component states or pops, React does not immediately update the real DOM. Instead, it first updates the virtual DOM to reflect the new state of the component. After updating the virtual DOM, React performs a process called reconciliation to identify the differences between old virtual DOM and new virtual DOM. Once the differences are identified, React calculates the most efficient way to update the real DOM to match the new virtual DOM. Finally, React applies necessary changes to real DOM, resulting in an update to user interface. Here you can see the initial DOM. Firstly, there is an update in time, and then there is an update in the actual DOM. React does not actually modify the real DOM. Firstly, it changes in virtual DOM, then it does changes in actual DOM. Now comes the benefits of the virtual DOM. In virtual DOM, uses efficiency. By how is it increase efficiency? It does not directly manipulate the real DOM. React reduces the number of updates needed and increases the efficiency of rendering process. In React can vastly update multiple updates together and apply them in a single pass, reducing the number of expensive real DOM. Reusable components, React makes the reusable components definitely, and in components in React are designed to be reusable and composable. Virtual DOM helps manage the state and render of these components efficiently. And React also helps in cross-platform compatibility. React's virtual DOM abstraction allows for easier integration with different rendering targets. We can manage web browser and mobile apps together with the help of React's virtual DOM. Thank you. That's for it. I hope your idea in real DOM and virtual DOM has been cleared. If you like the video, please subscribe this channel and like this channel. Thank you.